guys, it's a windy day, it's a cloudy, there's a possible rain for now, so I'm going to cook a barbecue or inihaw or grill. Okay, even it's windy, so as you can see, the windy start in the morning, early in the morning around 7 or 6. The whole day it's windy, okay, and cloudy, a little bit sunny. So for now, just wait the possible changes. Okay, so it's almost 9 o'clock in the 9 o'clock in the evening for now. Okay, so we start to burning the woods to cook a grill. Okay,